Hello guys and welcome to Manual Education. Today in this video we're gonna talk about a special and a professional course which offers you a management as well as a law degree. Whether you wanna pursue your career into management or law, this degree gives you an exposure of both the fields. Yes guys, we are talking about the Bachelor's of Business Administration plus Bachelor's of Law, known as the BBA LLB degree. Stay tuned in this video because we're gonna look at the fee structure, the placement, the eligibility criteria, and why this degree is just about right for you. But before we move on, we have already launched the batches for 2023 and 2024, where you get live classroom, books, ebooks, shortcut tips and tricks, doubt classes, recorded videos, topic wise test, full and then sectional mock test. You will be added to a WhatsApp group where you get a proper mentorship and you get 10,000 plus questions to solve. You can prepare for CLAT, MHCET, LSAT, SLAT, Symbiosis and other various campuses. If you're Mumbai based looking for classroom coaching, you can contact our centers at Dadar, Borivali and Vasai. If you're based outside Mumbai looking for live class and online session, you can contact the number at 8828581455, or else you can visit the official website www.manuaredu.com. Now let's head straight into the video. Now before pursuing the BBA LLB degree, one should know what is BBA LLB. It is an integrated course which is split into 5 years with 2 semesters each. It also means that you can pursue a BBA degree along with a law degree. So it is a 5 years integrated course where 3 years stands for your BBA and 2 years stands for your LLB. However, if you want to pursue a standalone degree of law or LLB, which is a duration of 3 years, you first need to complete an undergraduate degree separately, which also means if you don't want to get into BBA, you directly want to get into the LLB firm, then you have to have a 3-year separate degree course. It is a 5-year integrated program, as I said before. 3 years consist of your BBA and 2 years consist of your law. So total 5 years will give you a BBA LLB degree. So the fee structure for BBA LLB stands at 2 lakhs to 10 lakhs, which will be for your 5 years. If you compare the fee structure with BA LLB degree, then obviously BBA LLB will cost you a bit more, because it is a professional degree which gives you a management plus law degree, whereas BA LLB is a traditional course which only gives you a LLB degree. The level of this degree is undergraduate, which means after 12th you can pursue this course. Course duration is of 5 years. Again, after 12th you can pursue your 5-year degree for BBA LLB. The eligibility criteria: minimum 50% mark for general and OBC category. If you come from the SC or ST category, 5% of relaxation, 45% you have to get in your 12th. And in some colleges they only prefer students from commerce background, preferable with maths. So if you come from the commerce background and if you have maths, you are certainly eligible for some colleges. The admission process is either merit based or entrance based test, and the entrance test which you have to give to pursue BBA LLB or to get into a BBA LLB colleges: CLAT, SET, which is Symbiosis entrance test, LSAT, MHCET or other exams. Now the students pursuing this BBA LLB have a very good scope to explore their career in the field of commerce and law. So while pursuing BBA you get an experience of management, and while pursuing LLB you get the experience of legal firms. So when you combine both of this, you get a very good exposure for commerce plus law. So BBA students can excel in their commerce as well as the law fields. The students under this curriculum are rendered to analyze the market requirements and amplify its market value as well. So if you are coming from a BBA LLB background, like I said earlier, you get a very good exposure to the commerce fields as well as the law field. The BBA colleges have a separate placement department which focuses on the professional growth of our students. Again, coming from a BBA LLB background, you work more on the professional front for an commerce or even e-commerce firm or for any of the law firms. So it's a proper mixture of commerce or management plus your law. Now let's look at some top recruiters from this field. The first one is ACS Cement, Bajaj Alliance, PNB Paribas, Bodhi Global, Ernst & Young, which is also known as EY, ICICI Prudential, L&T Finance, Aclea Kale Solutions, Bharti Airtel, CPA Global Noida, HDFC Ergo, Coca-Cola, Lankat Properties, IFL Mumbai, Aditya Birla Group, Cipla, GVK, Deloitte USI, Eclerx, IIFL Private Wealth and Kotak Mahindra Bank. So these are some top firms which hires you after your BBA LLB degree. And guys, these are some big brands, big names in the market. Now let's look at the placement you will be getting after you complete your BBA LLB degree. The highest package stands at 8 lakh per annum. The average package stands at 5.5 lakh per annum, and the minimum package stands at 2.3 lakh per annum. So as we saw the fee structure, which will be around 2 lakh to 10 lakh for your 5 years, you get an highest package of 8 lakh rupees, which means if you invest 10 lakh for your 5 years, you get 8 lakhs as your ROI. If not 8 lakhs, you can get easily 5.5 lakhs per annum. Again, your ROI is something good. And some students have actually got the highest package of 8 lakhs after pursuing the BBA LLB degree. So you don't have to worry about the fee structure. The fee structure is at the minimal, but look at the ROI. And there are some top rated institute as well as the reputed institute in the market, which will definitely give you the highest package more than 8 lakhs. It can go around 10 to 12 as well. So you don't have to worry about the fee structure as well as the placement. You just have to focus on your 5 years of BBA LLB degree. Complete your BBA, in 3 years get a management degree, complete your 2 years in law, get a law degree. The mixture of this 2 degrees will definitely give you a very good placement as well as the ROI. So prepare for top rated colleges so that you can get the best placement and the ROI. If you are preparing for 2023 or 2024, we have already launched the batches. You can contact our centers at Borivali, Vasai and Dadar. If you are based outside Mumbai looking for online and live classes, you can contact our number at 8828581455. As usual, follow us on Telegram, Instagram, Facebook, and don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel for regular exam updates and notification. Till then, prepare well and take care.